Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to read a lesson in the TapCoding application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then at the introduction section, click on the Basics 1 button. And then click on the Start button. And as you can see, it will give you a brief introduction to programming and what code means. And you can just read this through and memorize it. And yes, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.